Integrating ValorPay with BigCommerce. Meet BigCommerce, a comprehensive e-commerce platform that provides software as a service to businesses like yours, including online store creation, search engine optimization, hosting, and marketing to accelerate sales and customer conversion rates. Picture this: payments, seamless and secure, perfectly integrated into your BigCommerce online store. All this and more is achievable with BigCommerce and ValorPay. Imagine this power at your fingertips. To get started, log into the Valor portal and have your app ID, EPI, and app key nearby. Click on Virtual Terminal on the navigation menu. Click the Manage button. Click API keys located in the tab section. Generate app ID, EPI, and app key required for the integration. Click Save. Log in to your BigCommerce admin dashboard and navigate to Apps, then Marketplace, and search for ValorPay. Click on the app and select Install. Verify and confirm the permissions. If you're new to ValorPay and looking to expand your horizons, click on Create New Merchant. You'll be redirected to ValorPay's website. Fill in your details, and our sales team will reach out to you promptly. Need help? Don't worry. You can call, email, or schedule a meeting right from the same page. If you're already a ValorPay merchant, click on Link Existing Merchant. Paste the earlier generated app ID, API key, and EPI. Click the sandbox options as Yes if the demo keys are set, or No if production keys are set, and fill in the details. Click Submit. It's that easy. Your app is now seamlessly linked to your ValorPay merchant account. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated ValorPay with BigCommerce. If you want to make any changes, just click on Change Settings, make your adjustments, and remember to save the changes. And now you can easily accept payments without any hassle.